Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust end links step by step. First, secure the watch face down on a soft pad to protect the crystal. Locate the spring bars that hold the end links and check if they are threaded or push-fit. Always work with good light and a magnifier if needed. Take your time to avoid scratching the case or bending pins and test fit after each small change. Start by positioning the spring bar tool tip against the small shoulder of the spring bar and compress inward toward the bracelet. Gently lever the bar out of the lug hole while supporting the end link with your thumb. Once freed, remove the spring bar and set it aside in a parts tray or tape. Repeat on the opposite side and inspect the bar ends for wear before reusing or replacing them. When adjusting, decide whether you need to micro-shim, swap end links, or file a tiny area for clearance. Work incrementally. Make a small change, reassemble the spring bars, and test the fit on your wrist. If you remove metal, do so sparingly and deburr any sharp edges. Keep the watch aligned so the bracelet sits naturally, and always verify both spring bars are fully seated before wearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.